Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's raining outside. I feel like cooking something warm for my family. I have a beautiful Chinese pomfret here with me, Teochew. And this is, Appa is a Teochew. So this is very good for Teochew steam. So what I did was, after washing the fish, made a few slits on the fish body, put in a bit of ginger and also spring onion on top, and sprinkle with a little bit of salt. Then I will send it to the steamer, and I will actually make the Teochew steam sauce separately. But let's quickly look at what are the sauce required. So these are the ingredients to make the sauce. We need some pickled veggie, ginger slices, some big chili, and then this is pork lard, and this is the salted plums. I almost forgot, we should put in some tomato as well. So preheat your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius and above, or when the water is boiling, put in the fish. And we're going to steam this fish for approximately 10 minutes. So we are going to make the steamed fish sauce right now. So first of all, let me put in the pork lard and crispy pork lard. Good if you have it. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the salted veggie, the pickled veggie, and some of the ginger, and a bit of the chili. So every time when you are using any pickled veggie, always recommended for you to saute it with a little bit of pork oil, so that you can help to remove the gaminess, the earthiness of the veggie, should there be any, alright? Tomato. The moment you add in the tomato, you will start seeing the oil will start to change to become a bit of orangey color. Next thing, we're going to add in some filtered water. And this is the salted plum or sour plum. You usually will get it in a glass bottle. It is usually very, very sourish. I find by doing this way, the sourish flavor, especially from the pickled veggie, release better, other than you put all this inside to steam the fish together. I prefer to do it separately. I think up to you lah. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of premium Vietnamese fish sauce. And let me give it a little bit of sugar. Our steamed fish sauce is almost ready, and I will set this aside. Right, this is after about 10 minutes. Wow. Oh, the fish looks really good. The fish eyes really pops out. Can see or not? Let me take it out. Right, not sure if you can see there's a bit of steamed fish water here. So all these are the source of fishiness. I'm going to pour away the steamed fish water. Right, we pour away the fishy water. That is the source of fishiness, by the way. Then I'm going to take out all this ginger and also spring onion. Let's do it gently. Okay, we try not to spoil the surface of the fish. Right, we are not done yet. First of all, I'm going to bundle the fish with the steamed fish sauce, the sourish and savory steamed fish sauce. And I'm going to garnish it with some fresh chili and also ginger. Still not done. I'm going to give it some fried garlic. Almost there. Last but not least, few dashes of white pepper. Done. Look at how beautiful it is. So here's Appa Teochew steamed fish, Chinese pomfret. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.